Welcome to the Dazzling Destinations channel. Today we want to talk about some of the most powerful motherboards in the market. We have chosen 5 models and we will talk about their details. But it's essential to note that these models may not be necessary for most users, and it's crucial to choose a motherboard that suits your specific needs and budget. Number 1. The Asus ROG Maximus 12. The Asus ROG Maximus 12 is equipped with Intel's latest Z490 chipset, making it compatible with Intel's 10th generation processors. It has a 14+2 power stage VRM design which provides powerful overclocking capabilities to enhance gaming performance. This motherboard has support for DDR4 memory up to 128GB and supports dual-channel memory architecture which provides high-speed data transfer rates. As for storage, there are 3 M.2 slots available, which supports NVMe SSDs and 4 SATA ports for traditional hard drives. In terms of connectivity, the Asus ROG Maximus 12 offers Wi-Fi 6 support, which makes it capable of delivering extremely fast Wi-Fi speeds. It also offers 2 Thunderbolt 3 ports and 2 Ethernet ports for wired connections, ensuring fast and stable internet connectivity for your gaming or other online activities. One of the most exciting features of this motherboard is its audio capabilities. The Asus ROG Maximus 12 offers Supreme FX audio technology, which is recognized as one of the best audio solutions for gaming motherboards. This technology delivers high-quality audio with less distortion and noise, so you can hear every detail while gaming. The Asus ROG Maximus 12 has a stylish design with some RGB lighting integrated, which can be customized to your preferences through the Asus Aura Sync software. Additionally, the motherboard is equipped with various sensors to monitor your PC's temperature and performance. In conclusion, the Asus ROG Maximus 12 is a high-end gaming motherboard which offers superb performance, connectivity, and audio capabilities. If you're looking for a powerful motherboard to take your gaming experience to the next level, then the Asus ROG Maximus 12 is a top choice. Number 2. Asus TUF Gaming X570 Pro Wi-Fi 2. This is a high-end gaming motherboard that offers amazing performance, high-speed connectivity, and a whole lot more. Let's dive into the features of this impressive gaming motherboard. Firstly, the Asus TUF Gaming X570 Pro Wi-Fi 2 comes with a 16-phase power design that provides stable power to your system, which is essential for overclocking your CPU and GPU. The motherboard also features dual PCIe 4M2 slots that support NVMe SSDs, which allow for speedy file transfers and faster boot time. Additionally, there are a total of 8 SATA 3 ports that offers plenty of room for storage expansion. You can use these SATA 3 ports to connect regular PC hard drives or even 2.5 or 3.5 drive type SSDs. One of the most notable features of this motherboard is its support for high-speed Wi-Fi 6 that provides faster wireless connectivity and also reduces latency for better online gaming performance. Asus TUF Gaming X570 Pro Wi-Fi 2 also comes with 2.5G Ethernet and support for Asus LAN Guard, which provides stable and secure connections with maximum speed for gaming, streaming, and other activities. This motherboard also includes Realtek S1200A, which is one of the best audio codec. It offers high-quality audio output that gives player full immersion while gaming. Additionally, this motherboard offers comprehensive connectivity with USB 3.2 Gen 2 ports, USB 3.2 Gen 1 port, HDMI, DisplayPort, and other ports that support all the latest peripherals for your gaming setup. Lastly, the Asus TUF Gaming X570 Pro Wi-Fi 2 offers amazing RGB lighting control. where you can customize the RGB lighting of your motherboard and synchronize it with other Asus Aura Sync compatible components. Overall, this motherboard is a top-of-the-line gaming motherboard that offers great features, high-speed connectivity, and top-notch audio quality, making it a great choice for PC gamers and enthusiasts. So if you're looking for a high-performance gaming motherboard, the Asus TUF Gaming X570 Pro Wi-Fi 2 is definitely worth checking out. Number 3. MSI MPG Z490. This motherboard is geared toward gamers and enthusiasts that want power, performance, and style. So let's check out the features that make this motherboard stand out. To start with, the MSI MPG Z490 Gaming Edge Wi-Fi motherboard comes equipped with Intel LGA 1200 socket compatible with all the latest 10th gen Intel Core processors. The Z490 chipset provides multiple features like overclocking support, fast storage, and Intel Optane memory. The motherboard also features dual M2 slots that support NVMe SSDs, providing lightning-fast transfer speeds and improved system responsiveness. And if you're interested in a storage expansion, then you can easily add more hard drives with 6 SATA 3 ports. The MPG Z490 Gaming Edge Wi-Fi motherboard comes with a pre-installed I/O shield, which protects the port and makes installation easy. The motherboard also features a host of USB options, including USB 3.2 Gen 2, Type A, and Type C ports, ensuring that you have plenty of options to connect to your peripherals. The motherboard has an extended heatsink design which provides a better thermal solution for your CPU and other hardware components. This ensures that your system runs cool even while gaming for an extended time. Networking on this motherboard is top-notch with the inclusion of 2.5G LAN and Wi-Fi 6, which provides faster network connections for both wired and wireless connections. With this motherboard, you won't experience any lag or interruption while gaming, streaming, or downloading files. The audio experience on this motherboard is great, as it includes Audio Boost 4 technology and ESS Audio DAC, which provides high-quality sound performance for your gaming seasons. You'll get to enjoy impressive and crystal clear audio while gaming, watching movies, or listening to music. If you're looking to optimize your gaming setup, the RGB lighting of the motherboard can add that extra layer of style, which can be synchronized with other MSI components using MSI Mystic Light Sync. Overall, the MSI MPG Z490 Gaming Edge Wi-Fi motherboard is a top-notch motherboard with advanced features and technologies. It presents itself as a powerful and stylish option to take your gaming experience to the next level. Number 4. MEG Z490 Godlike. This high-end motherboard is packed with features that will cater to the needs of gamers and PC enthusiasts alike. First of all, let's talk about the design. The MEG Z490 Godlike is a beast of a motherboard with a massive E80X form factor, making it quite larger than other motherboards. The Godlike features a black and silver color scheme with RGB lighting accents around the board. It's definitely a visually striking motherboard. Under the hood, the MEG Z490 Godlike is equipped with the latest technologies to ensure superior performance. It features support for the latest 10th gen Intel Core processors, including the Cry 9-10900K, which has max turbo frequency of 5.3 GHz. This provides excellent processing power for gamers, content creators, and power users alike. There are 4 DDR4 DIMM slots which can support up to 128 GB of RAM. The Godlike also features 3 M2 slots with thermal padding, allowing for a high-speed storage solution. One of these M2 slots is placed on an M2 Expander Z Gen 4 card, providing Gen 4 PCIe connectivity. This is the first motherboard to support 3 M2 Gen 4 SSDs, making it the perfect choice for those who demand high-speed storage solutions. The Godlike also has a number of other notable features. There are 2 Thunderbolt 3 ports which can transfer data up to 40 GB per second and are perfect for connecting external storage or high-speed devices. The board also features Wi-Fi 6, Bluetooth 5.1 and 10 GB LAN, ensuring fast and reliable connectivity options. Finally, the MEG Z490 Godlike also features MSI exclusive AI overclocking technology, which automatically overclocks your CPU to provide maximum performance. This is perfect for those who are new to overclocking or are looking for a quick and easy way to get the most out of their system. Overall, the MEG Z490 Godlike is an incredible motherboard that offers top-of-the-line performance and features. It's definitely a great choice for those who demand the best of the best in terms of their PC components. Number 5. The X299X Aorus Extreme Water Force. This motherboard is a high-performance motherboard designed for serious gamers and content creators. It comes with a range of features that make it an excellent choice for those who want the ultimate gaming and content creation experience. One of the most impressive features of this motherboard is the water cooling system. This allows for maximum CPU and VRM cooling, resulting in optimal performance and stability. The motherboard also features high-quality capacitors which ensure reliable and stable power delivery to the CPU and other components. In terms of connectivity, this motherboard has plenty of options. It comes with Thunderbolt 3, dual Intel Gigabit Ethernet and Wi-Fi 6 support, which means you can connect to the internet and other devices with lightning fast speeds. There are also plenty of USB ports, including USB Type-C and USB 3.2 Gen 2 ports, as well as multiple M2 slots for high-speed NVMe SSDs. Another great feature of this motherboard is RGB Fusion 2 technology. This allows you to customize the lighting on your motherboard and other RGB components, creating a stunning visual display that matches your personal style. Overall, this motherboard is an excellent choice for anyone looking for a high-performance motherboard. Its water cooling system, robust power delivery, and wide range of connectivity options make it ideal for serious gamers and content creators. With its stunning RGB lighting, it's also a great choice for those who want to create a visually striking PC build. Thanks for watching this video. We hope you found it useful. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more content like this. Good luck.